Hello, so I'm going to be showing you how to edit the text on your invitation. So what you're going to want to do is over here on the left side of the screen in your Canva page, you are going to see some options. You are going to want to click on this text page, okay? And then what you're going to do is you're going to come on over here and you're going to click on the box. I double clicked on mine to get it highlighted. Now up here you will see that you can change the text type if you like. And what you will see is you will see these little gold crowns. Mine are gray because I have the pro version of Canva. But if you have the free version, you will see these little crowns. That means that if you use those texts, you would have to pay extra to use those. All the other ones are free, okay? So I've used a free one for you. It's called Dream Avenue. And all you do is you double click to highlight the letters here, and you can go in and you can retype the name, retype the text that you would like. You're going to also be able to do that with the number for the birthday. You will be able to do that for the date, the time. You will also be able to do that for the location, and then also for the RSVP time. Now, I have everything kind of set up for you in your template so that you don't have to worry about changing too many things. But if, for example, you want to change the size of your font, all you need to do is you need to come up here. Mine is 16.9 right now, and you can make it smaller. You can make it bigger. You can do whatever you want up here with the size. You can see right here, it's Copper Hewitt is the type of text that it is, or the font. And you can, again, change that if you choose to. Again, if you grab one of the ones that have the crown, you're going to have to pay extra for that because that is font that belongs to somebody else. So you can use those if you like, but just know that it would cost extra through Canva to be able to use those. So hopefully this is helpful. I hope that you are able to edit your invitations. Again, you'd have to do both of them. You can't just do one and then expect it to transfer over. You have to edit both of them. Then, when you are ready to download and print, what I do, I just got to click off. There we go. I just got to click off there. I come up here to my download button. Now, it gives you the suggestion. It suggests PNG. I suggest, if you're going to print it, to grab the PDF print to be able to print it. If you download it in the PDF print, you're going to have a really nice high quality print, at least 300 DPI to be able to print it and take it somewhere to get printed, or if you have a home printer, you want to print it from home. I suggest using the PDF print. It's a really good quality. You can do the PNG print if you'd like, but again, it just makes it easier to do the PDF print, I think. So once that is downloaded, you can take that file and you can take it to your printer. You can print it off of your home printer, whatever you like, and you should be ready to go. Please make sure that if you have any questions about how to do any editing, or if you're having some troubles, reach out to me, and I am so happy to help you with that. Thanks for watching, and I hope that you have a great time editing your invitation.